What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double Level, and we're going to be taking a look at this Tumbler Press. So if you are a do-it-yourselfer and you're needing a good heat transfer press for your tumblers, this may be the one for you. So let's open this up, take a look at it, and see how it works. All right, so when we open the box, we get a few things. You're going to get some gloves. You get your user manual. You get a cutting mat, your power cable, a roll of adhesive thermal tape, and the unit itself. Now let's go over your accessories. Now your glove is going to be something that you use to protect your hands when you're handling the heat press. You want to make sure you wear that because the temperatures can be really hot and you don't want to burn yourself. The cutting mat, this is going to be used to trim away on your design to make sure that your design gets a nice fit on your tumbler or your mug that you're trying to print on. So you want to make sure that it fits nice so your design looks really good. Your thermal adhesive tape, this is going to be used to hold your design to make sure it stays in place on your tumbler. Now, some cool features of this particular press is that it heats evenly to make sure that your design transfers really well and your colors come out nice and bright, your blacks come out nice and black. It's fully adjustable, so this press can go from anywhere from a 12 to a 30 ounce mug. That way you have a nice variety to print on. These knobs on the back is what you'll use to adjust your size to make sure that your press is nice and tight onto the item that you're transferring onto. So you would just evenly give these knobs a turn, and you want to make sure that each knob is turned to the same position so your press is nice and even. There's a LED readout on the panel here, and this is where you're going to adjust the temperature settings and the time. Now this particular press heats anywhere from 0 to 400 degrees. It has a 3-layer design to make sure that it gets that heat transferred onto your product nice and evenly. When setting this up, you have your heating cable here. You would just go ahead and connect this into the pin slot. Screw it in so it's secure. You would plug in your power cable on this side, and from there, you're ready to go. Your power button is over here. And with that said, you can see how quickly the temperature is rising. So let's go ahead and print some tumblers so you can see the way it looks. Alright guys, so that's going to be the Tumbler heat press. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section. Once again, I'm Rashard D with Double Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.